Hello, in front of me I've got Starsand Island. In this video I'll show you how to cook. Eating food can improve your gameplay. For example, when you are low on stamina, you can eat food to replenish stamina. In order to cook food, let's go to work table and create campfire in the beginning. Then go to campfire and select food. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.